the COVID-19 pandemic is very bad on the Palestinian society since a very long time for different reasons. First, that Israel take advantage of this pandemic and they began to implement the annexation plan, especially that the whole world is busy with fighting this virus, and they began even to make like peace deals with the Arab countries. Another thing that Israel blocked the tax money, which is the main source for Palestinian Authority paying the salaries for their employees. So since nearly 6 months, we have no salaries but one time. Third thing that they began to attack activists in West Bank and human rights defender, like what they did with Mahmoud Nawajah, the coordinator of BDS in West Bank and Palestine. And they arrested him for 19 days, interrogating him for his activism and about BDS. As activists, we try to keep resisting this occupation, which is sometimes it's very difficult due to the closure and also paying attention for not taking this virus. But we still do protest, demonstration against the annexation plan, against the Arab normalization, against all shapes of occupation, from arrest people, from killing youth, like what happened today. They killed a 15-year-old child from a nearby village. I think resisting this occupation is the same, taking the same importance of resisting the virus. I hope that we will be able to win the two battles. I wish safety and peace for everybody. From Palestine, love.